Ang araw ngayon mga kasuki ay araw po ng botohan. Bago po kami uuwi sa Tarlac, boboto muna kami. At ayan na nga po, after namin bumoto, dumiretso na po kami sa terminal. Sa sobrang haba po ng pila, ayan, while waiting po kami sa aming bus na hinihintay. So tara mga kasuki, mag-enjoy muna tayo sa ating long weekend. And God bless po sa ating lahat.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things.
And finally mga kasuki, welcome to my hometown. Dito na po kami. Ito po yung Luisita, San Miguel, Tarlac. Dito po ang stop namin. Welcome po kayo sa aming hometown, Tarlac City. Thanks for watching and enjoy.